Mrs. Pimentel, I love you. I miss you. I miss you. Kisses for you. Look, I'm here in my laundry room. My laundry room, yes. I love my laundry room. I love. Today, let's talk about laundry room. Laundry room. Laundry room. Repeat. Excellent. Very good. Let's spell this word. Let's spell this word. Let's see. L L A U N. Good. D R Y. Laundry. Good. Other word. R O M. Room. Laundry room. Laundry room. Repeat. Let's know the objects in my laundry room. Yes? Look. This is my washing machine. Look. This is my washing machine. Washing machine. Repeat. Excellent. And this. Look. This is my laundry sink. Laundry sink. Laundry sink. Repeat. Excellent. Look in this. What is this? This is my iron. Iron. Repeat. Very good. This is my iron. And this is my ironing board. Ironing board. Can you repeat? Excellent. Very good, boys and girls. And now, look. What can you see? Buckets. Look. Buckets. I have many buckets. Let's count the buckets. But now, repeat. Bucket. Very good. Let's count the buckets with me. Let's count. 1 bucket. 2 buckets. 3 buckets. 4 buckets. And 5 buckets. Very good. Excellent. High five. In my laundry room, I have a clothesline. Look, clothesline. Repeat. Very good. Excellent. And I have a lot of clothespins. Repeat. Very good. Look, I have a dustpan. Repeat. Great. And I have a squeegee. Repeat. Great. And in my laundry room, I have broom. Repeat. Great. Good job. What can I do in my laundry room? What can I do? I can wash my clothes. Look, I can wash my clothes. Wash. Repeat. Yes, I can wash my clothes. And I can give bath. I can give bath in my dog Azeitona. Bath, bath. Repeat. Yeah. Look, my stove, my stove. Repeat, stove. Great. Can I cook in my laundry room? Can I cook? No, I can't. Can I cook? Can I cook in my laundry room? Oh no, I can't. I can't cook in my laundry room, right? Can I study? Can I study in my laundry room? Oh no, I can't study in my laundry room. Study, study. Repeat. Excellent. I can't study in my laundry room, right? Can I sleep in my laundry room? Can I sleep in my laundry room? Sleep? Can I sleep? Can I sleep? Oh no, I can't. I can't sleep in my laundry room. I can't wash my clothes in my laundry room. I can't wash my clothes in my laundry room, right? Good job. Bye, bye, bye.